Here today testing some batteries for the A6000. I have the one original OEM battery, but I wanted a little bit more. Plan on keeping this camera for a while at least. Let me pull one out. Pickle power battery, orange, a good combination I think. Let's see what I'm doing here. This shutter's click is such a click. Looking forward to the day that cameras don't need the shutters. The Z9 from Nikon does not have a shutter. It has a screen to protect the sensor, but that only is there at when the camera's off. Also I have the zoom lens. It is a power zoom kit lens. Thought that would use the battery even more than the Sigma that I have now, the 32.8, as I hesitate to speak English. Oh, that's a beautiful scene over there. Barely walk anywhere. Look at all the color. Look at that color. I need to watch out in this area. It's a dog thing. Let us zoom. Fantastic. I'm not totally sure what I'm going to do with the A6000. Got it at a very good price. Actually, Target. They were selling it super discounted. Honestly, don't remember the exact price, but I think it was under 200, which definitely was a good price for that camera. Even used, you'd probably pay more. But the one battery and these, what are they called? It is the NP FW50. These batteries don't give you a ton of runtime in general, even the OEM ones on most of their cameras. Although I think the recent 6400 and the ZVE10 give you a little bit more than these, like the 6000 in the previous generation. Not personal experience, but maybe we can do some photo shoots with the pickle power if I can find some type of surface to put them on. I don't even know what day it is. Forgot the phone, but the camera has a date and time. So I'm relying on this camera to make sure I don't get stuck in here. Like I said, I have to be careful where I walk. You know what? I was thinking maybe the Sigma lens was a little hesitant with the focus and such, but I'm trying this kit lens out again, and it does the back and forth jog that you would generally expect from a contrast-based autofocus system, which this is phase detect, but it's an older version, obviously, of it. Maybe I'm just not used to that anymore. Although I wouldn't say it's terrible, it's just not as impressive as the current stuff. What an odd spot for the video record button, Sony. It did remedy that. Nice thing about the A6000, so you can charge into the camera. You don't have to take the battery out. Of course, it doesn't come with a charger, which is not nice for some situations, but seeing as you can charge like this, I have a battery bank, a cable. This is unrelated to everything, but we will demonstrate. Charge charge while you do stuff. I turn the camera off and there is a little charging light. It is at least an option. Regarding the whole debate about third-party batteries, sometimes you're just gonna get garbage, but other times you get a usable, functional battery. As I mentioned, the Wasabi ones tend to be pretty good, but they don't like always hit 100%. Some of their batteries, just depending on the camera, like the LPE17, they don't have a battery that's fully decoded, as they say. That's a nice view. Take a photo and look at the time, 2:39. It's kind of working. There's a dog. No, go. How you doing? My suspicions were confirmed. The dogs were following me. Doggos doing their doggo things. These are always nice subjects. Oh, perfect spot. What do you know? If I go this direction, I'll get better lighting. We will pickle this, I think. There we go. Is it the proper direction? I believe so. Oh, we got the tilt screen going. An irritating thing about the A6000 is when you select the small flexi spot, you can never put it exactly in the center unless you use center. Goofy weird, oddly designed weird, that type of weird. Branch. This is a nut. I can't test time until I use time. How you doing? Oh, it just dropped to 25% at 55 minutes, 39 seconds. Turning the timer off so it's not going to power down anything. The screen and the viewfinder, +2 brightness on each. I'll find out if these batteries have consistency to them, which is always a potential issue. Yeah, that is the Pickle Power dual battery pack first tryout. Scott Photography Bonsai, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.